Step 11. Sourcing your product. Once you've chosen your product, the next step is finding a reliable supplier who can deliver quality at the right price. Where to search? Alibaba. Global sources. Local suppliers. Popular sourcing platforms include Alibaba, Global Sources and 1688.com for domestic Chinese suppliers. These sites connect you with thousands of manufacturers. Contact multiple suppliers. Request quotes from 5 to 10 suppliers. Always contact several suppliers to compare prices, quality, and terms. Don't settle for the first offer you get. Evaluate quality. Order samples. Check materials and finish. Order samples before committing. Inspect the product's materials, durability, and finish to ensure it meets your quality standards. Negotiate terms. Price per unit. Shipping method. Production time. Negotiate pricing, shipping methods, and production timelines. Good suppliers are open to fair negotiations. Verify the supplier. Verified badges. Trade assurance. Choose suppliers with verified badges and trade assurance for added safety in transactions. Up next, Step 12. Negotiating with suppliers. Once you've found a trustworthy supplier, it's time to negotiate the best deal possible. That's coming up in the next step.